Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken rigatoni with creme fraiche and thyme sauce. This is a nice and easy 30 minutes meal. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna need rigatoni pasta, leek, courgette, creme fraiche, diced chicken breast, fresh thyme, onion, a lemon, chicken stock, yay, garlic, and water. First off, we need to peel and slice the onion. Then we're going to slice the leek. Now we're going to trim the courgette and we're going to cut in quarters lengthways. We're going to chop the courgette in small pieces. Now we're going to pick the thyme off their stalks. Now we crush the garlic so it's easier to peel it off, and we're going to grate it. Let's get cooking. We're going to boil the water for the rigatoni. Then when the water is boiling, we're going to throw a pinch of salt. We're going to pop the rigatoni in the water. Cook for about 11 minutes. We don't want it to be too soft, but we don't want it too hard either. Now we drain the pasta and we put to one side. Now we're going to fry the chicken. We need to fry the chicken until it's cooked through and it's golden brown. When it's halfway cooked, we're going to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we're going to click like and subscribe. This is how the chicken should look like. Then we remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. Now we add the onions, the leeks, and the courgette, and a drizzle of olive oil on top. Now we cook them until they start to soften. It should take about 4 minutes. Then we're going to add the garlic. Cook for 1 minute more. Now return the chicken to the pan. We're also going to add the stock cube, and the water. Now we stir to dissolve the chicken stock. We should reduce the heat and we should half cover the pan with the lid. Let it simmer until the sauce is reduced by half. might be a good idea to smash the like button. Finally, we're going to add the creme fraiche. We're also going to add the fresh thyme. Now we stir everything one more time. So yummy! Now we bring the pasta to the party. The dish is nearly ready. Okay, now it's time to serve. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Please comment, share and subscribe because it's free. Yay!